Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll try to troubleshoot or get to know why our laptop is being slow. See, actually, when I try to browse something on my Chrome browser, it is showing the results very late, and whatever action I do on this laptop, it is really displaying or making the task really slow. So, how you can detect these issues on your laptop is, first of all, find out which process is taking most of the RAM and the CPU memory. For that, see here in the taskbar menu, right click on this and click on the task manager. Here you will find a tab called performance. So in this performance, we'll see what all processes are taking maximum amount of CPU and memory in the sense RAM. See, I'll maximize this, and these are all the current processes running, but we need to click on this performance tab. Okay, yeah, see here under the performance, my CPU is being utilized 100% and my RAM is almost full. I mean 84% it is full. So I need to just check what all processors are taking. So I'll again go back to the processes here, and they are automatically filtered, or what I can say, sorted according to the maximum usage of the memory and CPU. See, there is one service which is running Atlassian Jira, and it is taking almost 15% of my CPU. And like, see here, out of 87% of my RAM, 1024 MB, making almost like it is taking like 1 GB of RAM. My computer has 8 GB of RAM. It is taking 1 GB of RAM. So if I don't want this background process to be run, I just right click and click on the stop, or else you can just search for the services here. So this will open the services which are running on your computer, and find the particular service, and you can stop that particular service and start whenever you want it again. See here, click on the services here, double click on this, so that all the services will be opened. Yeah, see here the services has been loaded, and if I check like Atlassian Jira, it is stopping. Or you can right click on this, you can stop it from here also. So in this way, just check for all the services background